Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to be doing a tutorial on this look right over here. You guys already know the deal. We hop into our videos pretty quick, but don't forget to like and subscribe this video and check out my Instagram. I do have a boutique in West Covina, California that you guys need to check out. By the way, this video goes out to Instagram name right over here. Thank you so much for commenting on my pictures, babe. I really appreciate it. And stay tuned for the ending of this video. I'm doing a free giveaway, so stay tuned for what item it is. All right, let's just hop into this video. Hey guys, welcome.
Hey guys. Hey guys.
So to first start off, we're gonna be priming our full face, get it together. Start off with a good platform, foundation, base, whatever you want to call it. So I'm gonna go ahead and prime my eyelids with the NYX Cosmetics primer, kind of like the MAC painter pot right over here. We're just gonna fast forward through this part. Today I'm gonna be using the palette Matte About You, and it's a pure matte palette by Violet Voss. These are $45. The perfect palette to use when it comes to doing a full matte eyeshadow look, and it has the perfect shades for like the smoky eyes or just like neutral looks if you're that type of person who kind of likes to do the basic. This palette is on sale right now for $35, $10 off, which is pretty neat. So if you guys are interested in this palette, I'm gonna give you guys a look on it today. As you guys know, this palette is available at my boutique. Brushes here that are used from yesterday's makeup tutorial that I did. I'm gonna go ahead and use the Veramona sponge to remove all the shadow that's in it, so we can start off with clean brushes because I'm too lazy to actually clean them with soap. First, to start off, I'm going to start with these orange shades right over here. I'm using the LA Girl brush in 202. We're just taking that same shade like 3 times, just so that we can get that nice transition in there. And then I'm gonna go ahead and take the shade right below it, Desire. Just kind of like start putting this on the outer corner as well, and just like hover it all over the lid. Now we're gonna take our clean brush and just kind of like blend it. We're gonna go ahead and take a somewhat flat top brush, and now we're gonna start packing on the deep brown shades, and we're gonna go in with this one right over here. Add it on our lid area. Now as we get higher, we're just kind of like patting it, trying to blend it in with that orange transition shade. Now we're gonna angle our brush to go a little bit more downwards and blending out that harsh line. We don't want that brown to go up too much because we still want to keep this orange shade. We're gonna go even darker with Darling, and we're gonna go ahead and smoke it out even more. I dropped my brush and I'm too lazy to get it, so I'm gonna just use another flat brush. Just kind of pack this on. And then go to our next darker shade right next to it, and it's called Sweet. I'm gonna go ahead and take the Scandinavia primer spray. Just got these in a couple days ago, and this retails for $35. Okay. I'm gonna also have them in minis as well. I think they're super cute and adorable, mini travel size. These retail for $14. If you guys decide to get the set, which is the spray and the primer spray, for the minis it will be $26. And for the bigger collection, if you guys decide to get both of them as well, you guys can also get a discount. And you guys can get them for $60, which you are basically saving $10. I'm gonna go ahead and use the Urban Decay foundation. This is the All Nighter Waterproof Long Wear Liquid Foundation, and I am completely out, so I took off the top and just kind of like put some on my face. For this foundation, very little goes a long way just because it's like full coverage and it will literally last all night. Beauty blender, it is by Cake, what is this? It's Veramona, the Cake Bake Beauty Blender, and I'm just gonna blend this all over. Like, bro, this foundation is like already drying my face. Not drying my face, but like it's already super matte. Our foundation on, I'm gonna go ahead and take the LA Girl Concealer in Creamy Beige. And I really like the fact that this beauty blender right over here has like a sharp edge, so that whenever I kind of like blend in my concealer, I can define this very sharp without having to use tape or concealing it with a tiny brush. It's just quick and easy. And voila! It gets in like harsh, like tough areas. So I went ahead and did my waterline to set my face. Don't forget to set your face whenever you use foundation. I'm going to use the Ben Nye banana powder for this. And I'm almost running out, but you guys know I have these available at my store. And I kind of just like put it on a flat area and just like dab it on. You can use this for a setting powder or a baking powder, and today we're going to use it as a setting. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and bronze the heck out of our face. I'm going to be using the Away We Glow highlights. I've been using this color right over here. This one is Glazed Donuts, and guys, this highlight is blinding, okay? So here are some of the shades from the Away We Glow collection. These retail for $16.99. But what I'm gonna do, because I want that bronzy glow, I'm gonna take this shade right over here, and it's called Untamed. It is a bit darker. This is for darker skin tones for sure, but it's not like super dark or anything. It looks like that. And I'm gonna blend it in with the Glazed Donut and get an Untamed Glazed Donut. So we're getting like this color. It's like a golden pinkish rose gold type of look. And I'm just gonna take my finger and dab it on my face. And then I'm gonna take my fan brush and just blend it together. Highlight, it's so pretty. Like, it gives you like that hydrating like look for sure. It's so pretty. I love it. That dewy, healthy type of look. It doesn't look like so powdery. Like, don't get me wrong, I love powder highlights. I use them all the time, but just gives you like a nice reflect. I'm gonna go ahead and take my newest style of my eyelash brand. I get so excited talking about this. Like, it's just, you know how when you work so hard on something, a project or redecorating your room, and you're just like, oh, you love it so much? That's how I feel when it comes to my eyelash brand. I'm so glad that they're starting to get into retail stores. A lot of companies and like small businesses are agreeing to carry my lashes, and that's super exciting. I'm in the process right now of creating displays for the eyelashes so that they can be in stores. That is so exciting. I swear, like, I never thought this would happen, but it's happening. So this is the style Diva. It is a more of a dramatic look, which a lot of people were asking for when it came to my eyelash brand. I was getting a lot of girls saying like, girl, don't be shy, like, go bold, go big, or go home. So I took a lot of my customers' advice. I'm gonna give you guys a better look on this lash. It's really pretty, really dramatic. You guys will see when I put them on. You guys need to make sure you guys cut the edges. Now, if you have bigger eyes, I would recommend to leave them on. But my eyes are tiny. And because I am not wearing any eyeliner today, I'm gonna go ahead and use this duo glue. It's pretty neat because like I said before, it comes with a clear and then also a black black glue, just in case you are wearing eyeliner. So I'm just gonna be putting some of the clear. Okay, so these are how the lashes look. Very dramatic and bold for those who like dramatic lashes. So we're gonna go ahead and move forward onto our lips, and I'm gonna be taking the NYX Suede Matte Lip Liner in Free Spirit. I love this color. It's like a perfect nude tone, and I'm just gonna go ahead and line my lips. I got this new collection line by NYX Cosmetics, and it's their lingerie gloss, so I'm gonna be using that today. Okay, so these are some of the colors that I grabbed from the NYX lingerie gloss collection. The first one, as you can see, is Sable. Second one is Shy, Bear With Me, and Spirit is the last one. These are really pretty colors that I feel like would be top sellers. These lip glosses retail for $6.99. I posted a picture recently, and I had one of my supporters, she commented mermaid cereal. That's how the shades look. So I'm gonna be using one of them today, and this one is in Sable. This video is for you, by the way, and I really appreciate her because she like comments on some of my pictures, so I'm like, hey girl, showing support. Gloss is very pretty. It's like that nude color, and this is how it looks. Like sometimes I see Jenny69 using glosses, and she uses like colored glosses, and I'm like, okay, I need to get myself one of those, and this is it. I never really wear glosses, and this is super cute. I love it. Look at my highlight. Damn, girl! I'm gonna go ahead and use a Skindinavia setting spray and just spray it on. Okay, perfect. And this is the finishing look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and try out these new lashes that I created from the Obsessed Mink lash line. And I hope to see you guys next time on my next video. Do not forget to like and subscribe down below. Bye guys. Actually, before I go guys, I want to do a free giveaway. So for those, this box is actually empty, but you guys will be getting a free pair of Obsessed lashes, your style, your choice, whatever you want. All you guys have to do is comment down below your guys' favorite style, and let me know if you guys purchased my Obsessed lashes. Like, oh my god! I'm just kidding. I would really appreciate it. I want to know who's showing support. Really nice to check out your guys' page. Don't forget to write your Instagram name. That's how I'm able to let the winner know. And yeah, I will be announcing it tomorrow. Alright, bye guys. Stay tuned on my Instagram. That's where I'm going to be announcing the winner.